Hi guys, welcome to Sunday's SC Move, and I'm really excited because this is the final time, fingers crossed, that you'll have to listen to a brief on the screen. So as of tomorrow and beyond, we are going to be briefing in person in real live classes, which is so exciting. So yeah, fingers crossed this is the last time, but hope you enjoy your session today. So let's have a little look at what is in store. We're kicking off with a 7-minute AMRAP for our warm-up with some lateral box step ups. So I'll show you these first of all. We're basically looking at stepping on from the side. So a few different ways to do this. Option one is just literally stepping up and coming down again. Wanting to make sure that knee is not caving in. So take it nice and steady, making sure the knee is tracking over the toes. If that's alright, maybe you've done this before, you're pretty comfortable with it. Instead of doing 5 and 5 on each side, you kind of put it together in a bit of a step over. So we're moving laterally, so this moves sideways. So 10 of those. Next up, we've got 5 push-ups to down dog. So the press is just going to be through our range of motion. That might be a centimetre, it might be chest to floor or something in between. That is fine. So we're staying up in that press, doing our version of a press up, whatever it is we've got, coming to a down dog. So a little press, to down dog. If you've got full press ups, by all means feel free to lower your chest all the way to the floor. Next up, some banded good mornings. So we've done this good morning before, where we're hinging with a nice flat back. We're going to make this a little bit more challenging by adding a band. So the feet go in, goes behind the neck, and we're just hinging with that band around us. Turn so you can see, with that lovely flat back, squeezing the bum at the top, like so. And then finally, we've got some lunge squats. So we're going for a lunge on one leg, a lunge on the other leg, and a squat. And that's 1 rep, so we're looking for 5 of those. Moving around those movements for 7 minutes, team. All right, strength piece for today. We've got some front foot elevated dumbbell goblet split squats, all the words in the universe. So I've got myself a small surface. I've got 20 kilo plate on the floor. Kettlebell is going to be my dumbbell equivalent for today. 1 foot goes on that plate, and then we're setting up in this split squat stance. Lowering down, coming back up again. So I'm going to go for 10 on one side and then switch over, 10 on the other side. If you can lower that knee all the way to the floor, do so, but do so gently. And yeah, and if not, we can just lower as far as we're able and comfortable too. Next up, we've got 15 single dumbbell front raises. Now I imagine this is going to be lighter than what you're squatting on that plate. We are just looking at raising it up and down. So get that core working hard so we're not arching back like this, squeeze that bum. 15 of those into 15 curls like so. Rest for 90 seconds between your sets, guys, and we're looking at 3 sets in total. Finally, our workout for today. We have got 4 rounds of 20 box jump overs or step overs if we're not looking to jump today, 15 double dumbbell push press, and 100 meter double dumbbell suitcase carry. So box jump overs to start. I've got the box here today. Maybe go for a couple of step ups before you start this, guys. Just show your body where that box is. And then we're looking at jumping on and stepping up to the other side. Try and face one way as you do this, guys. If you always rotate, say clockwise or anti-clockwise, we're going to get a bit dizzy. So just pick a wall and face that wall. And remember, for a box jump over, you don't need to stand up to full extension, so you can stay nice and low, which is a bonus. So 20 of them. Then 15 double dumbbell push press. So dumbbells are coming to the shoulders, I'm taking a little dip and driving overhead. 15 of those. I'm then going to take dumbbells to my sides as if I'm carrying 2 suitcases, and I'm just going to go for a walk. 100 meters. It's quite a long way. So have a chat to the coach about where you're going to walk. If it's nice weather, we might be going outside. If not, we'll set up some markers inside and we can go back and forth indoors. Again, resting for 90 seconds between each set. And that's it, guys. Have some fun, and we cannot wait to see you next week in the gym for real live class briefs. See you then.